This is the Platypod Ultra. The Platypod Ultra is a small tripod that you can take everywhere without worrying about space too much. You can use it like this, or like this, or even like this. Look how tiny it is compared to my phone. And it weighs less than a sunflower seed cup. The Platypod Ultra is about 4 mm thick, and this gives you quite a few creative uses. It's not flat, but close enough. According to the company, the Platypod Max is capable of carrying 45 kilos, and it's not bigger than a phone. That's amazing. But if you thought the Platypod Ultra is amazing, wait till you meet its bigger brother, the Platypod Max. The Platypod Max is similar to the Ultra, a small tripod with plenty of mounting options. Unlike the Ultra, the Max is capable of carrying 135 kilos. Not sure what for though. Those two flavors offer pretty much the same features. 1/4 holes for legs, securing them with ball bungees or carabiners, attaching them to the wall or to a board, a 3/8 mount for a ball head, strap holes, and quickly mounting the Platypod to a tripod. Here's what you get for 60 bucks. The Platypod Ultra, a 20-inch strap, a carabiner, and 4 legs and a case. For 100 bucks you get a nifty pouch, a plate, 4 legs with a detachable case, a male-to-male 1/4 screw, sadly no strap. For an extra $30 you'll get a 2 mm non-slip pad, and it's really strong, a 3/8 to 1/4 adapter for lighting gear, a 36-inch strap, and a 1/2 inch riser and adapter. Here's what I liked. It weighs nothing, it fits in your pocket, you can use it in a museum or the Empire State Building, and here's what I hated. The plate is not 100% flat, the black color wears off a bit. For the money, I wish the multi-accessory kits were included. To conclude, the AYP gives it 4.5 stars out of 5. If you like some more cool movies, you can check out this one, and you can subscribe to us down here.